guys, I got an unboxing on this place. We went to a place called, what was that? We was in Gillespie, Illinois. That's what that is. I wasn't planning on buying anything. I got some. Let's do the unboxing. I will not stand in your way, but inevitably you'll be back again. 'Cause you know in your heart, babe, our love will never end. No, you will always be a part of me. I'm part of you indefinitely. Boy, don't you know you can't escape? Ooh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby. And we'll linger on. Sign cannabis, I'm feeling the strong. No, we'll never go. Black Seed Oil Complex. Tell you to take 2 of them. Here's my second unboxing, all on the same video. I believe this comes from Temu. Look at the fireworks I got. Little fun stuff. Oh, so what I got. 2 packages into one. The Faith jogging pants. Now I know what I'm gonna wear my one shirt with was with these. Ooh, a hat. Why they got it so smashed?
It's a little ripped up dress. I think she'll love it. Well, that's all for the moment. I forgot I had one more. I had this one for a while, just never opened it up yet. It is from She Terra Organics. So I heard this product is really good. So I ordered it. Ghana Gold Cold Pressed Virgin Shea Butter Wild Harvest. All right, you guys. I'm going to tell you how good this stuff worked next time when I open it. But this is what I bought. Fragrance free. It's all organic. Like from Africa Shea Butter. Came wrapped really good. They gave me extra stuff too, so. Rose and Black Soap Deep Pour for your face. Youthful skin. That's it. All together. $55.45.